How to add magic zooms to a video on Submagic. One of the easiest ways to make your videos feel more dynamic and engaging is by adding zooms at the right moment. Normally, doing this in traditional editing software can take a lot of time. Keyframes, scaling, adjusting the timing, but with Submagic's magic zooms, it's literally just one click. Submagic is designed to help creators edit shorts, reels, and TikToks effortlessly. And Magic Zooms is one of those features that really makes your videos pop without needing advanced editing skills. So here's how it works. Submagic automatically detects where your video could use extra emphasis, like when you make a key point, when your tone changes, or when you're delivering something important, and it smoothly zooms in or out to keep your audience engaged. The best part, you don't have to manually set anything. Submagic does the heavy lifting for you, but you can still adjust or fine-tune the zoom points if you want more control. Also, since we're already here, we actually created a Submagic review video. In that video, we show you the best features of Submagic and exactly how you can use them. Plus, we're offering exclusive bonuses for anyone who signs up through our link. Once you've signed up, email us info@jakethornhill.com and we'll send those bonuses straight to your inbox. Link in the description below. So if you want your videos to instantly look more polished, professional, and scroll stopping, give Submagic's Magic Zooms feature a try. It's one of the many tools inside Submagic that make editing for short-form content fast and effortless. Submagic truly is an all-in-one platform for creating shorts, reels, and TikToks without the stress of complicated editing. You can check it out now using the link in the description below.